Hello everyone, welcome back to this section where I will show you how to set up your menu bar, and I will also show you how to size correctly your image, this image that we've uploaded or that we've set up in the previous section. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So that's perfect. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to this, and remember our image is still in this shape, right? So even if we try to run this, it's still in this shape. So all we need to do is we just need to write this. So we need to style this, and we need to set the width of the image to 100%, and I believe that this will help us size it correctly. So let's just run this, run saver, and let's just see. As you can see now, our image is now in the correct size and order. So this is wonderful. As you can see, welcome to our website, things like that. So it's good. So let's go back and set up our navigation, our menu bar. So what are we going to do here is we are going to set a menu bar in the separate div, right? So we want it to be separate from this body. So let's just set it to let's just give it the same class container, because that's the one that we are using, the container class. And then let's set this. So we are going to start with the unordered list, and then we give it the list items, and then we give it the link tag like this. So this is going to be our home. So what are we going to do here is we are going to copy 3 times, right? Like this and like this, right? That's perfect. So we are going to change here to about, and we are going to change here to services, and we are going to change here to contact. So that's perfect. So what we need to do, you see, when you are working with HTML and CSS, you can just say home dot, you can just say index .html or about.html, things like that. But Django is a cool way of doing this, and it's simple. So all you need to do is you need to match the name of your URL, like here, and make sure that it's the same here, the name that you've given it and the view, and it has to match with the URL. So that's what we are going to put on our let's find the base template, right? So all you need to do here is you have to use this tag to load this URL. So all you need to do is you say home like this. Perfect. So I recommend that you copy this, and then you paste it, you paste it, you paste it, and let's just change here about, let's just change here to services, let's just change to contact. So that's all you need right now, just this. So let's try to load our, for example, let's just check. As you can see here, we see that let's just try and find out more. Right, so as you can see, this is what we need right now. And here, let's see, it's link tag and saying URL, and let's just do this. So it's link, so let's see. Oh, okay, let's go back a bit and see what's happening. Okay, so you see, the problem that I did right now is I don't have to do this. You see, this is a common error, guys, and all you need is to move this here. And because I was wondering that what have I done wrong, and as you can see, and let's try to load this again. Perfect. And as you can see, now you can access your home page, now you can access your services, now you can access your contact. So it was just the fact that I wrote this in a wrong way. So that's all there is to this. But before I finish this video, I just want to show you how to style this. So we just want to remove the list items there. So what we are going to do is we are going to style this, right? We are going to, let's just style the unordered list. Let's just style list dash style dash type, and let's give it none, right? And let's set padding to 0, and let's set margin to 0 as well. Okay, so to 0 as well. So let's just try and see if this will successfully remove the, you see, the bullet points have been removed. So this is perfect, and that's all that I wanted to show you in this section. Thank you, guys.